When it comes to power tools for the construction industry, it's easy to understand why Hitachi Koki is one of the most trusted names in the world. While our solid reliability and performance gives you total confidence, our safety features give you complete peace of mind. An innovative design and technology gives you the advantage that only Hitachi Koki can provide. From its birth in Japan in 1948, Hitachi Koki has pioneered innovative technologies. It is no wonder that today we are popularly considered the tool maker to the world. Hitachi Koki India, which started operations in 1996, has consistently grown at over 35% per annum and is today a preferred choice in construction, woodworking, metalworking, and engineering industries. To appreciate the performance of Hitachi Koki's wide range of construction tools, we invite you to take a look at a select range in each category. When you are considering the best-in-class impact drills, look no further than the DV16V and the VTP18 from Hitachi Koki. Known for their precise drilling performance, making even the most complicated tasks easy. Lightweight, compact, and easy to use for longer durations, Hitachi Koki's impact drills are equipped with powerful motors having impact rates as high as 34,500 impressions per minute and can drill to depths of 16 mm to 18 mm in plastered concrete and brickworks. Hitachi Koki's wide range in hammer drills that include the DH22PG, DH24PB3, DH30PC2, DH40MR and DH50MR have proved their mettle as the best in the category. Compact, lightweight and easy to use, these hammer drills are ideal for drilling in concrete, brick, stones, steel or wood and have an impact rate ranging from 1050 impressions per minute to 6200 impressions per minute, generating an impact force as high as 20 joules. Their usage also extends to demolition and chiseling of concrete and brickworks. When it comes to demolition and chiseling of concrete, edging, gravel road digging, compacting, tamping, grooving, cutting or stripping, demolition hammers from Hitachi Koki provide precise performance with very low vibration and noise level. Hitachi Koki's wide range of demolition hammers include the H41SA, H45MR, H60MRV, PH65A and H91SA, each preferred for their respective strengths. These hammers with an impact rate of 850 to 3000 impressions per minute can generate a force of up to 55 joules. When you require precise cutting, the CM4 SB2 and CM12Y are what you need. Ideally suited for surfaces such as brick, tile, granite, marble or reinforced concrete, their applications also extend to decoration work, stone processing, tiling, electrical and plumbing jobs. With a maximum cutting depth of 34 mm and a powerful motor, the CM4 SP2 comes with a highly vibration resistant armature, a toolless base adjustment mechanism and a soft grip handle. The CM12Y, equipped with a powerful 2400 watts motor and a large wheel diameter, has a cutting depth of 100 mm and can cut large RCC concrete blocks easily. The CM12Y also has excellent overload durability thanks to its spindle torque, which is as high as 1.98 Newton meter, the best in the segment. We understand that the world-class quality needs world-class customer service. At Hitachi Koki, we apply our knowledge and skills to every inquiry we receive, be it information on tools, accessories, spares, breakdowns, locating an authorized service center, or maybe a product demonstration. We are here for you. With an extensive product range, vast all-India dealer network, and decades of experience, Hitachi Koki is the ultimate destination for all your requirements in construction power tools.